is it a repair or is it an improvement? Say, for example, you have an equipment and something went wrong in that equipment, you repaired, you call the mechanic, you got it fixed, that's a repair. So you can claim that expense. It's a deductible expense. You can claim it instantly. Now, an improvement is, for example, you great example, laser machine. I have a friend who has a clinic and they have a laser machine which does the laser hair removal. Now what they did was, a couple of weeks ago, there was like this new technology. Now in the same machine they can add another extension to that machine, and that machine will allow you to do not only the laser but also like liposuction, fat storage, freezing, and like around. So what that then does is it's an improvement to the to the machinery. So then that needs to be depreciated. However, we need to make sure that um, you know there's a very fine line in terms of repair and maintenance. Jen, I'll use your example. If we need to repair the exterior of an investment property, will that be considered repairs? Now, it depends on what kind of exterior you're looking for. Can I confirm, is it painting the exterior walls or are you building a porch or something? Paint walls. Now, paint walls is actually, from memory, an improvement, not a repair. So it will be depreciated over time. Now, say for example, if you had tiles in the house, and few of the tiles got chipped, you put those tiles, you took them out and put the exact similar tiles. Now, those chipped ones only, you didn't change everything, but you just put the similar tiles. Now, that's a repair and it's a deductible expense. But if you ripped all the tiles off and put wooden flooring, that's an improvement. So anything that increases the value of the property will be an improvement, and it needs to be depreciated over time at 2.5%.